So I have the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Care and Glow Insulazzle Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 27 up to 24-hour healthy glow skincare foundation. That's a lot. And it's saying that the coverage is like close to full coverage. I have shade 420 and the new one. It's the same price as the current Tint Idol Ultra Wear Octinoxate Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15 up to 24-hour color wear, comfort transistent, transfer resistant. And in this one I have 24 bisque N, which stands for neutral. So I was like, okay, let me try out the new one. And so this is the original, the old school one. And then this is the new one. I think this is matte. I'm not sure, but as you can see, they're the same size. It's just the bottle has a white top, and then Lancome is right here. And you know, the packaging is, or the component is just a little different, but it still has the signature Lancome flower. And this one has more SPF in it, so that's a good thing. Let me give you a little bit more information about this foundation. It's natural finish. It has hyaluronic acid and it's hydrating. It's best for oily, combo, and normal skin. And it's saying medium coverage. I already said that it had 24-hour transfer resistant, healthy looking glow serum foundation, and it's buildable. So we're gonna, you know, test it out and see what it do. If you would like to see how I accomplish this eye look, then I will link that video somewhere up here for you to check it out if you haven't watched it already. But we're gonna hop right into this real quick. And so what I'm going to do is I need to moisturize. Was I prepared? No, I was not. So I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. So I really like it. This is the travel size, but I do have the larger jar of it. It's very expensive, so you gotta catch it when it's on sale. Now, who didn't come prepared with a sponge? Me. So we're going to be applying makeup using brushes because I refuse to get up and go wet a sponge unless it's absolutely necessary. So yeah, just not gonna go into it. So, but let me get back to the foundation. Now, I let the Sephora Beauty Advisor color match me. Hopefully it's a good match, because you know the lighting in the store is super duper horrible. So I have no problem with exchanging this, because for some reason they didn't have all of the shades available to test out. And I was like, where is this one? Where is this one? This one may be better for me, but you don't even have like a tester for me to either like to swap on my hand to see what's going on. But you know, this is just my little rant. So I'm gonna do 3 pumps on the brush and go from there. Now this says warm, but in my opinion, it's coming off a little neutral on me. Well, maybe she did do a good match. Okay. Wow. Okay. It does feel more smoother when applying it than the original one, but like I said, the original one more than likely is a matte version, and this is supposed to be more hydrating by having the hyaluronic acid in it. And it's definitely giving me a nice glow. Like, okay, I see you, Lancome. I really could build this up, or I could leave it as is. Like the coverage just from those 3 pumps is pretty good. It's pretty good. I think I'm just gonna do one more pump. Just one more. One more for the road and leave it at that. Just mainly on my dark spots. That's on my chin. Wow, I'm impressed because this, you already know how it goes when I am trying out foundations. It can get a little rough. And for this to be spot on, no issues, I'm very happy. I also picked up the Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff dual-sided powder puff. I'm talking about power puff. Okay. Really tripping. So it has instructions on the back. I honestly feel like I could have ordered the ones from Amazon and received like 8 for the price of this one, which was $15. But I like Beauty Blender, so I was like, why not give it a try? So this is what it looks like. It's cute, and feel this is where your hands go in. What I'm gonna do is do the rest of my face real quick and then come back and I'll give you my final thoughts on this foundation. So I'm back. I'm going to show how to use this Power Puff, or attempt to use this powder. I keep saying Power Puff. Powder puff, and hopefully it lives up to its reputation. You know, I don't want it to be $15 wasted. It's kind of messy, but it definitely like sets your under eye and makes it look a little bit more smoother, but you'll definitely have to clean it up, like, you know, dust it off and stuff like that. So it's cool, but you can still use your sponge to set your under eye or your brush. You can order like 12 packs of like the puffs from Amazon for like the same price for just one. But of course, this is Beauty Blender, and will I use it again? Yes, I will, because guess what? I spent my coins on that, so I definitely, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what that looks like, you know, using the powder puff. But like I said, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and then come back again with my final thoughts. So I am back, and this is the final look using the Lancome Tinty Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow Foundation. I really like it. I kind of like the shade that was picked. It's a tad bit, it says warm, but it's coming off cool toned on my skin. I don't know what's going on with the foundations, but I can rock it, and it could be the setting powder that I used as well, because it's the La Mercier honey and the regular mixed together. So maybe I should try it with just honey only, but I like the finish. I still have like a glow even with wearing powders and adding bronzer and setting powder all over my face. I like it. I hopefully it holds up and doesn't start to like break up because of all of the hydrating factors in the formula. But so far, based on what I'm looking at, I don't have any complaints. It is, you know, like, this is my summer shade. I wanted, you know, something for the summer because I have plenty of foundations for wintertime. But if I can rock this for the rest of the summer and even in the fall time, because here in Houston, the fall is still considered summer. So if I can rock this for the next 2 to 3 months, I'm not really mad at it. I really like the way that this foundation looks on my face. I kind of just feel like I should have used a different translucent powder for my under eye. Yeah, because like, but that's nothing. I can, you know, replace that with a different powder. But the foundation, if you're interested in getting it, I highly recommend it. It's $47. So if you have the coins to kind of like, you know, splurge a little on this foundation, then go for it. I like the original one too. So if you have oily skin, try out the original Tient Idole foundation. It's amazing. I actually combined that one with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation so I can get my perfect shade, because I'm not going to throw away my Charlotte Tilbury because that costs some coins too. But I'm not going to do that with this one because this one is same warm. I just really feel like the powder kind of like changed the tone of my foundation. But I like it. What do you think? If you like the way this foundation looks, you know, leave a comment down below. Are you gonna get this foundation? Like I said, check it out. Go to Sephora, get a sample. If you're not really sure if you want to purchase it, Sephora is giving samples, okay? Don't let them tell you they're not, because I've received a sample a couple of times recently. But again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure your notification bell is turned on. And give this video a big thumbs up. And to my new subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really and truly appreciate it. Share my videos. So yeah, also if you have any video recommendations, let me know as well. I'm trying to, be a little bit more creative. I'm really not gonna have like I thought about doing like a schedule, like picking certain days, but I just told myself, when you're in the mood to record, cut the camera on, record, edit, and post it. Don't be trying to put yourself on a set schedule that you really may not be able to keep up with. So as always, I really appreciate you guys. And thank you for watching.